Hello, it's time for another installment of Feather the Nest. I'm Laura and we're so glad you're here. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we're gonna open my new IndieStitch box. So let's see what we got. I haven't opened it at all. I did order the extra fabric again this month. You know I'm a sucker for fabric. Okay. Let's see. I'm waiting to get this. I saw that other people had gotten theirs like Friday, and now here we are on Monday. I'm just not getting mine. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we just opened. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, I've got this cherry color red cotton gauze as my extra fabric. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I love cotton gauze. Okay, so here's the real IndieStitch box that was down in here. And it just came in the bigger box because I got the extra fabric, which was that. I don't know if it's what they call it, raspberry. Maybe it's a raspberry color. But I'm excited to have that. Yay. Okay, let's see what's in the box this month. This is always fun. Let's see. Okay. As many of you know, we're working on the poppy pants this month from Sinclair Patterns. They look so cute. I actually want that fabric she has on. I want to know where to get it. So, anyway, there we go. This was my original fabric that I ordered. It's a linen, the viscose linen, 85% linen, 15% linen. Here's all linen. It is kind of a smoky blue kind of color. Not even smoky, it's just, I thought it would be a great thing to wear this summer, especially on the cruise we're going on. Like, I just feel like I need lots of pants that I can throw on, so I think this is gonna be great. Okay, so I'm having 2 fabrics now. A couple of pairs of pants. Let's see what my goodies are in here. I did finish my thing for the first time on the Facebook sew along in time. So I wonder, some snippers. Okay, those are always handy to have. These are great. Of course, we have the matching thread, at least for my original fabric, and 2 sewing machine needles. It's great. I just, yeah, that matches. Okay. We got a lemongrass and lavender lollipop. Interesting. Huh. Eat your lollipop, plant your stick, water and grow lavender. So we can grow some lavender. Probably won't happen, but it's a nice idea. I like it. Okay. Oh, good. I do have one of these, but you can always use more. It's one of those bracelets that holds your pins as you're going. I like to have duplicates of things all over the place, so this is great. Let's see what else I got. What is this? Somebody probably knows. Maybe it's on the card. What does it tell me? A sewing finger pusher. Enhance your sewing with the sewing finger pusher designed for accurate fabric placement. Huh. Pressing seams neatly and efficiently, a must-have for every sewist toolkit. If you've used one of these, let me know. I'm gonna try to find out, like, can you just press something down as you iron? No, I don't know what this is. I don't know how that works, but you know, what are you gonna do? Okay, what else is in here? Okay, I do have the pattern. I'll print it out in color, which is great. And so I have quite a bit of it's says interfacing, lots of interfacing. coughing. My allergies have been so awful, and yeah, it's been a nightmare. So I've just been trying to get rid of this cough. Let's see, I'm gonna use some elastic. Okay, so that was everything in the box. I'm excited about everything. I just don't know what this is or how you use it. Let's do some research on that. We'll see. I don't know when I'll get to these plants actually. It might be a little bit. I have several projects I want to work on. I'll kind of tell you about those. I have a show coming up that I'm directing. I'm doing High School Musical. So my idea was that I want to wear red and white every night. So I did order the tracksuit. I just ordered one off of Amazon because, come on. And I'm having some t-shirts printed that'll be on some of the characters. So I'm going to use one of them that just says like Wildcats on it and stuff. So that's like quintessential stuff, right? I'm also going to make a dress from this fabric. I got it at Joann's. It's actually a Draper James. It's just a cotton. And I can't remember the name of the pattern now. It was on IndieStitch. So I'll put that up here so you can kind of see what I'm making. It should be an easy make though. I really think so. Yeah, so I think that'll be a little different. My other one, let me see if I can find my correct pattern. It's this Nomi right here. So you get your skirt, it's very athletic looking. I also have some black. I'm gonna use these two, but then I also have some black jersey that I'm gonna use all that stripe, so it has two colors. I don't think I'm gonna do long sleeves though. I think I'm gonna try to do something different. Excuse me, with the sleeve, because your girl gets hot and it's Austin, so it's still a few weeks away. So that'll, you know, that'll be that. What is my other one? Huh? Oh, I know. I already cut it out. Hang on. It is. Let me find it. It's from the Friday Pattern Company. It's the patina blouse. And I'm going to make it out of this. It's also a Draper James that I picked up. It's got little red hearts on it. I'm making a top, a patina blouse. And then, you know, I made those Palmer pants. I love them. So I ordered some more red Ponte from Mood because it's the best Ponte out there. And I'm going to make a pair of pants to wear with it. So that's supposed to be here like Wednesday, I think. But I'm trying to knock out that shirt pretty quick. I'm finishing up a dress that I'd already been working on. It's really coming together. I really love the fabric. So I'm just working on that right now. And I really think I may finish this up tonight. I don't have a lot to do. I'm gonna put my collar on. I already got it like all put together and pressed and everything. I just haven't had time to actually put it on there. So I'm gonna put the collar on today. And it has a short sleeve that I'm gonna put on. And then hem it. And oh, the belt. I have to do the belt too. But I think I could do all that tonight. I just really love all of this. It's just a pretty, pretty color. Yeah, and it's a great time of year to be wearing dresses outside, right? So I love that. So I'll post some more on that pattern later, kind of keep you up to date on where I'm at on that. I'm still waiting on my rolled hem foot to come in, and that's a little disappointing. But what are you gonna do? I also went to a Bernina dealer today. I really want a new computerized, I kind of use random sewing machines from other people sometimes, or ones I borrowed. I have one on Serger. I have kind of an older sewing machine that I have, and so if I can use a better one, I do at times, but I'm really looking to purchase. I think I'm gonna do the 475, and I know it says Quilter's Edition, and I'm not really a quilter, but when I went in today, the 475 and 480 are very similar. The 480 has a little bit wider plate for the needle to go through. Like you could do wider things, but I don't really know when I'm going to need to do that. And it was more expensive. And it really is the quilter's edition because they give you a foot to use with it. Otherwise, everything on 475 and 480, I think are pretty much alike. Just that space on the needle plate is the only thing that's different. So it drove like a Cadillac. It was amazing. So trying to talk the hubby into it tonight. Not that I have to have his permission, but I'm just saying we work together on big purchases, and that's a big purchase, right? So I'm hopeful because I would love to get that little Cadillac right here in my sewing room and just zip out some stuff. And yeah, I think that would be perfect for what I'm doing right now, and I'm very excited about it. So give me your thoughts. What sewing machines do you have? And yeah, once I get all of this done, that's for this show that I want to wear to the show, then I'll probably go over to those pants. And then I need to make some tops and some different things. I have some fabrics over there for tops and all kinds of things that I would love to work on. So stay tuned. There's a lot coming. Once I hit summer, I'm going to be able to sew almost all the time because I'm not at school every day and I don't have shows going on. There's so many things that will help me be able to sew more and post more. So I hope you're having a great day and happy sewing.